How to fix people tap not showing on your Messenger application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If the people tap feature is not showing on Facebook Messenger, it could be because of app glitches, outdated version or settings issue. So let's get started to fix it. First and foremost, head over to app updates. For this, head over to Google Play Store or App Store. Type in Messenger and if there's an update button right next to it, tap on it. This way, the latest version will be installed and you could get the fixes or the feature. Second option would be long pressing your Messenger application and going to App Info. Head over to Storage and Cache and then clear the cache. Now that you do so, make sure to close all of the background application and relaunch the Messenger app. Sometimes restarting the app can also resolve minor glitches. Doing so, make sure you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can head over to Messenger, log out, and then log in back again. Check for the Messenger settings, head over to the app, tap on your profile picture, head over to the gear icon, scroll down to privacy and safety. Make sure that the relevant settings are enabled for your account to show people connections. So once this is done, your issue should be fixed. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.